Hello, beautiful blockchain people. Today, let's analyze the price chart of Bitcoin and Ethereum, or the price chart in my case of Ethereum against Bitcoin. So, the current price is 0.065636. This is the monthly chart. I want to say that to some extent we're familiar with the price chart of Ethereum and against Bitcoin, or Bitcoin against Ethereum, because let's say once a month I analyze the price chart of this cryptocurrency pair. So let's start. This is the monthly chart. There was a solid price increase in the first half of previous year of 2021. Then here at the end of this pricing increase, we had a shooting star candlestick. And I used to talk about it, and at that time I highlighted that it seems to me as a trend reversal candlestick to some extent, or as a candlestick signaling a potential bearish pressure. And since then, there has been a sequence of bearish candlesticks, big ones and small ones, with descending highs or maximums and descending local lows to some extent. So this confirms the bearish pressure. Now I want to say that this is the candlestick for the previous month. To some extent it's similar to a shooting star, but not at the top of some, let's say, price high or local high. It is within the range of this hammer. So let's say this hammer was a solid support for the price. There is no doubt. So this is this hammer. But now what I want to say is that we still don't know what candlestick we will have in March or in the current month. And today is 4th of March, and this is the very beginning. This candlestick may change, but at the moment this candlestick has a local low slightly below the previous ones. So to some extent it confirms the bearish pressure. Once again, this candlestick may change till the end of the month. We have enough time. The month has just started, but we have to keep in mind that it has already a local low slightly below the previous one. So this is a small bearish signal, but let's wait and see what happens in the near future. Of course, definitely we have to understand that here we have a hammer, so it is a potential, let's say, support range. Also, we had consolidation here, so this is also a potential consolidation range. So if the price continues to decline, I'm pretty sure that probably Ethereum won't give up that easily against Bitcoin. So I just wanted to highlight these key aspects in the monthly chart. Now let's switch to the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is the price increase that took place in the first half of last year. Then we had some kind of consolidation. The price skyrocketed. Then we had something similar to a shooting star hammer and etc. A bearish engulfing, a sequence of mainly bearish candlesticks with descending local highs. Of course, sometimes we had some breaks. For example, that was a hammer. After this hammer, a rebound took place in the weekly chart. We used to talk about it. Then a bearish engulfing revoked or canceled the bullish signal based on this, let's say, rebound and hammer. And now after this consolidation, at the moment, today is Friday, we have a bearish engulfing. So this is the bearish engulfing. The bearish candlestick covers with its body the body of the previous small bullish candlestick, so it's a bearish signal. But of course, this candlestick may change. Today is Friday. We still have 2.5 or almost 3 more days. That's why let's wait and see. But if at the end of the week we have this bearish candlestick, it will confirm the continuation of the bearish pressure that has started at the very beginning of December. So this is in the weekly chart. Now, if we switch to a linear chart, we have still something similar to an ascending channel. Let's say that now the price is testing, so this is the ascending channel. Now the price is testing the trend line. So this is a very important moment, let's say, for the price chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin, because we're at the trend line. This is the sequence of higher lows. And what I want to say is, if a breakout takes place and the price drops below this trend line, I don't want to say that immediately this will be, let's say, the beginning of the downtrend or uptrend. This will be the beginning of some deeper correction. I just want to say that it will make this bullish channel less bullish, because probably we will have to adjust the angle, the trajectory of this bullish channel in this case. That's why I still want to highlight that there is a small or medium, let's say mediocre bearish pressure. Let's see what's happening in the near future, but at the moment we still don't have some bullish signals here. So this is in the weekly chart. Let's move on to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. We have three moving averages. Let's start with the first one. This is the 30-day moving average or 1 month moving average. The price has dropped below the 1 month moving average in the second half of December. Since then, it has been below the 30-day moving average. Of course, here there were a couple of attempts for breakouts, but they were unsuccessful. Once again, it's obvious that the price is below the 30-day moving average, so it is below. So this is a small bearish signal confirming the bearish pressure. So this is according to the 1 month or 30-day moving average. This is the 90-day moving average. A bearish moving average crossover took place recently, and we know that. And since then, the price has been not only below the 30-day moving average, but below the 3-month or 90-day or 1 quarter moving average as well. So in the midterm, we have this confirmation of the bearish pressure as well. But this is the 1-year moving average. This is the major trend. Now the price is starting to test the 1-year moving average. So this is, let's say, the key support at the moment, but also this is a very important moment for the price of Ethereum, because let's say since the beginning of the bull market, the price has been mainly above all these three key moving averages, and in particular significantly above the 1-year moving average. So let's wait and see what happens at the 1-year moving average, because if the price drops below the 1-year moving average, this may be the initial signal. This may turn out to be the initial signal pointing or giving us as initial signal sign that this is the end of this price increase, and then some kind of consolidation may start. But of course, if the price rebounds and resumes the uptrend, then this will be a confirmation that this is a solid support and the uptrend renewal may start. We will keep an eye on the price chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin and vice versa. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. We had this ascending triangle. Now we're at the lower bound of this ascending triangle. Also, I want to highlight that we had this bullish flag. Of course, I won't call it a flag any longer, because we're not, the price has declined significantly and it is almost approaching the starting point of this flag. So this flag is too big. I won't say that it's a bullish flag already. It's just a descending channel. The price continues to move within this descending channel in the downward direction. As long as the price remains within this descending channel, this will be a clear confirmation that the bearish pressure continues, the bears are controlling the market, and so on. Of course, if the price exits the descending channel in the upward direction, then this will be an initial signal that the bulls are trying to resume the uptrend. But at the moment, it's obvious that we're far away from this scenario. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin or Bitcoin against Ethereum as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.